Zambales, Philippines, about an hour north of Subic, Crystal Beach. I think the water is usually a little more crystal than today, but it's been incredibly rough and really fun to play in the waves. It's like being a kid again. It's been amazing to get out of Manila. This was the 2 weeks in June that they decided to open up the travel restrictions, so everyone and their brother headed out. Looks like we picked a good spot. It's kind of like a black sand beach.
Hey!
Like that. Some people will call this the real Philippines. When I think of the Philippines, I do think of this.
Salted caramel.
I don't know if that's a well or an outhouse, but this is a ramshackle dwelling for sure. Would you live in it? Could be by the beach. Sometimes I think I would.
Yeah, maybe 15 minutes.
Happy birthday ka ba? Kasi nga,
We're going out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, it is. leaving the hotel, going to Wet Spot, which is a bar right across the street. Saturday night in Subic, super drunk, and apparently we're off to another fucking bar, club, I don't even know where. I don't even know if I care. It's Manila, baby. Idea where we are. Super Malayo. It's like abandon hope, all ye who enter here, but there's something amazing about abandoning hope. Just going with it. Alright. The trikes have stopped. We're talking to peeps on the street.
You know where it is?
Maybe go down.
Yeah.
In the car?
It's over there.
What car? There's no car.
Sidecar lane.
Baby, give me the vape.
I guess they're trying to find the spot.
So I was trying to like figure out what's what in the Philippines. It sounds like you guys have been here for a while. So you
Alright, we're splitting. We're going back home. Our rides waited for us. They didn't even ask us to pay them for the first ride. They waited to take us home for the full ride. Subic, Alangapo. Unreal, rocking good time, baby. Alright, stopped on the way back from Olongapo after hours to our spot in Subic. I don't know why. I think she wants either food or has to take a leak or whatever. I don't know, whatever. But I tell you, man, it's been a hell of a weekend. And it's not over yet.
I just went into tired and drunk mode, but it's
Probably can't see it, but you can hear it. The surf, the sea. It's so soothing to look out over this expanse of water and just hear the waves crashing on the beach. It's such an incredible paradigm shift from Manila to be here in Zambales, Subic. And even though you can't see the sea, you can see the suite, the jacuzzi suite, my bro, our babes.
let's try that. Now we got lyrics. Break on through the other side.
And karaoke, Filipino style. Cool looking building, at least an interesting looking one. I think it's deserted. Property for sale, right across the street from the beach and the park, Central Park Reef Hotel where we stayed, which was pretty nice, man. We had a good. Let's just say it was a good time.
Now, I mean, there was a guy that was named Harold Dick. So we called him Harry Dick.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more content from the fabulous Philippines.